respected Cabinet Minister for Food Processing, and also my very, very dear friend, the Rangbahduh, all the officials of Government of India, as well as Government of Meghalaya, all the different organizations that are present out here, especially our farmers, entrepreneurs, cooperative societies, and different self-help groups, and all my dear friends who are here today to be part of this very, very special program and this very special moment. I first of all would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Food Processing Minister for organizing this wonderful program, which has given an opportunity to our farmers and entrepreneurs and different companies, organizations, stakeholders, all to come together and be part of this particular platform and be able to really exchange and collaborate and find ways to engage, to be able to take and uplift the people at the grassroots, which is our farmers and our different cooperative societies. This would not have been possible without this program being organized, and hence I would like to once again congratulate our Honorable Minister for this wonderful program. I also would like to encourage our different self-help groups and different societies and entrepreneurs to take advantage of programs like these. You must engage with people. You must meet as many people as you can. You must try to take full advantage of programs like these, because you never know what kind of luck may unfold and what kind of opportunities may come out because of programs like these. We can organize and we can facilitate these programs, but to be able to unlock the potentials and to be able to take advantage will depend on your personal capacity, your personal hard work, and your desire and your motivation to take your business forward.